We are in our file command section, and in this lesson we'll talk about pwd command. pwd stands for print working directory. It shows last directory when you work in and it tells where you are. To memorize this command, we can call pwd command as present working directory too. Let us type pwd command. As you see, it shows we are in our last Araz Ahmadov directory under home directory. Please don't confuse pwd command with whoami command, because whoami command means who logged in the system. If we type whoami command, we'll see the user Araz Ahmadov has logged in the system. Well, now let's go to root user and check pwd command in there as well. Now we are in our root user. Going to type pwd. See, it shows we are in our root directory. If we type whoami, it shows we are in our root user. You can read about pwd command by typing man pwd. We'll use pwd command in our next lectures as well, because this command is used with files and directories. So, this is the end of our lesson. See you in the next lesson. Bye!